So I am back at my favorite place, Oludeniz Beach, a very famous place for paragliding. You see loads of people jumping off the Babadog mountains in the back and then just paragliding and then landing just over here on these grounds over here. You'll see people landing and you'll see them all over in the beach places as well. It's very, very hot. It's about, I didn't check the temperature, but I think it's about around about 33 degrees. And it's really nice, everyone's out, it's a nice vibe. I've got a slush puppy and I'm enjoying it. I want to book the paragliding. I done it 2 years ago in my Turkey series, which is on my channel. There's a playlist, Turkey 2020. I paid like £45. Now they're charging £120, so the price has gone up by a lot. But I didn't book it at Oludeniz Beach. I booked it in the hotel where I was staying before in Hisurono. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back there in the evening, see what prices I like over there and book other things as well, like the boat trips. So we are on our way to the Blue Lagoon beach of Oludeniz, and this time, last time I was here I didn't see these like border signs, and they've got them like all the way back there at some point, and they've got it here which shows you where you are. So I am there, right there by the yellow, and I'm trying to get to the Blue Lagoon, which is like here. Last time I came they didn't have this and it was so confusing, like how to get to here, to the Blue Lagoon. And also now they've got like these cards, like top up cards that you can get, and you have to use the card and top it up for your expensive, for like food and beverages and for the sun loungers. Yeah, they didn't have that before, so it must be new. And they didn't have these like boards up either, so it has to be new. But now it's a lot more clearer where I'm going, because I did try before to get to Blue Lagoon last time and I had no idea where I was going, so I just gave up and I never ended up going. And I've always wanted to see the Blue Lagoon, and I'm going to this time. Fingers crossed, should be going there. I'm heading the right way. Okay, so we did make it to the Blue Lagoon. I left my mum and my sister over there, and I just took a walk. Let's just follow this path. Don't know where it was leading to. On the other side of the Blue Lagoon is Billy's Beach, which I've been to before, and it's a private beach. Really, really nice beach. It's like quiet and chill, really, really relaxing. The Blue Lagoon is very, very crowded, overcrowded. It's very small. Billy's Beach is a lot nicer. That's a nice one. And I was just walking the path to see if I could get around to Billy's Beach, but wasn't really going anywhere. Then I'm just walking back. What do you think of these glasses? I don't know if you can see, very overexposed. But yeah, what do you think of these sunglasses? I got them in Istanbul for about £15. Is it £15? No, I think £15. Yeah, £15 I think. 300 liras I think, so yeah. And then that's £15. But they're really, really nice, I like them. And they cut out a lot of the light, make everything look really, really sharp. Also, what do you think of my lemon shirt? Got it from Primark. All my shirts, my floral and like summer shirts, I got from Primark because they're so cheap and the quality is quite nice. So I just went for Primark. I don't want to spend too much. And I had shirts from last time that I went to Turkey, so I just bought a couple extras. And just over there on that side is Billy's Beach. So I made it into the Blue Lagoon, into the water. I haven't gone into the water like this in 2 years since the last time I went, and it's so cold. The last time I went to Billy's Beach over there, the water was warm. Like you could just go in and it was warm. This one is, it's not freezing cold, like it's not ice cold, but it's cold. The other one was warm, and it looks like taking slowly taking baby steps. Okay, so we have made it to Fethiye Central, and we're going to some patisserie that I know that I've seen before online in a vlog. We're just going over there. We wanted to go to like the market. Mum wanted to get like some spices and stuff, but that's the Tuesday market, which is only open Tuesdays, which I didn't know. But we are gonna be like roaming around. She wants to get like jewelry and like spices, see if we can find some spices and things. Get places to eat. Fethiye is like really good to like restaurants if you want some authentic places to eat and to come down for shopping. We went to Hisaronu, which is where I stayed before in Turkey, and we booked some excursions from the same place that I usually book it at, which is called Sunny Days. The guy's really nice. He said he remembered me. Hopefully he wasn't lying. And yeah, so I booked that, got one tomorrow and the day after, and then walk park on Tuesday and the day that we're leaving. So make sure you're not subscribed. If you haven't subscribed already, then what are you doing if you're watching it up to this far? And if you are watching this, watch all the other episodes in this travel series as well. I don't know how many episodes it's going to be, but it's a 2-week adventure. We started off in Istanbul for 5 days, and then we headed to Oludeniz, and then we're going to be going to Cappadocia. So it's going to be a big adventure. It's going to be really nice. Quite hectic. It's very fast paced. Well, 2 weeks doesn't seem like very fast paced, but like 3 different places in 2 weeks. Okay, so change of plan. I want to go to the patisserie place, but they've not wanted to get proper food, and so do I really. So now we walk past this place when we're trying to go to patisserie. It's called Pasha Kebab. That's how you pronounce it. And it looks really good. Like we walk past it, it looks really nice. And it's got 4.6 star ratings, almost 5 stars. And all the reviews look really good. Like they're all 5-star reviews. I'm just getting some starters now, some bread and dips. Thank you. Fethiye is always like really hot. It's 36 degrees in Fethiye. Where I'm staying, like Ovasik, Ovajik and Hisaronu, it's about 30 degrees. I think it's like 29-30 degrees. And coming over here it's 36 degrees. So it's gone up by like 6-7 degrees. It's really hot. I love the heat. I love it. Like I can bear the heat. I really like it. Yeah, so we're gonna have a day of exploring, doing some shopping, seeing what's around. I've been to Fethiye before. But yeah, got my Lipton iced tea. Can't go wrong with the Lipton iced tea in the heat in the summer. It's a good drink. Didn't want to get like a good Fanta or something different. Apparently, my friend sent me a post on Instagram that straws you're meant to put in like this. So instead of having it up like that, we drink from that. You're supposed to put it in like that. So then when you tilt the carton or can or something, you can get the drink from the bottom. I don't know how much of that is true. Maybe we've been doing it all wrong. I don't know. Nice. I don't know why I was expecting it to be fizzy. It's not fizzy, but I'm clearly craving a fizzy drink. Maybe Fanta would have been nice. The bread roll is so soft. It's really nice. And this red dip kind of thing is really good. And cheese. Turkish people love the cheese, and I think that's garlic butter. You know, a restaurant is fancy when it's got Dove hand wash in the bathrooms, but we just got our food. And this is mine.
This the
looks really, really nice. And we got some ayran, which is like the Turkish version of a lassi. A lassi is a South Asian drink, and Turkish people have that their own version. But it's not as good as ours. Let's try.
Can I get sauce, please?
Ketchup, mayonnaise.
Yeah, ketchup fine. And chili as well.
I'm not a fan of lassi. I'm not a fan of that either. I like sweet lassi, but usually lassi is like made. You can get sweet or you can get salty.
It's so sweet.
I don't like the salty one. I like the sweet one, and this ayran was salty. So we just got ice cream from a patisserie, and it's really, really nice. I got 3 scoops. Each scoop was a 15 lira. The flavors are really, really good. And it's melting a lot. Melting very quick. It's 36 degrees, so it's melting very, very quick. I got 3 flavors: blueberry, yogurt and orange, and cinnamon apple. And the flavors are really, really good. It's so nice and cooling. Okay, so it's a lot later on in the evening, and we've just had dinner. I've got ice cream, which is really, really good. I got bubble gum and fruit festival, which is really, really nice. It's a bit more pricier than Fethiye. Fethiye was like it was 15 lira per scoop, but over here it's 25 lira per scoop. So it costs a lot more. Not much, but like it adds up though. It's still more. But it's really nice.